So YouTube, so it's so after 40 days, we're not making video because it's hard work. Okay, I'm sorry. Because 14 days we're not making video. Today we're going to be this sound with a can, aluminum can, but also Formula One sound. But it's like watching Formula One, but this. So how to make Formula One sound with this put right here. So we put this into this. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's wait. The first one. The put on the tin into the bottom. Put it here inside. Okay. Number 2. We have this. Okay. Number 3. We have this. And number 4. We have this. So this is so loud, right? But you know our Formula One sound. But you don't like that, huh? Okay. Okay, try again. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that's so. Okay. Okay. Comment down below. What you want more dear one and how to make videos next. But you know, give video a thumbs up. Because after 4 days we're no more making video, but I don't know why. Okay, so just for watching everyone. Today we're going to be Formula One with aluminum can. But you know, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe now. And see you guys here. Goodbye, stylish.